International Place Value System. Most of the countries of the world use the place value chart, which is different from Indian place value chart. It uses millions, billions, trillions, etc. It is called the International Place Value Chart. Let us learn about the International Place Value Chart. International Place Value Chart. Periods, millions, thousands, ones. Places, 100, millions, HM, 10 millions, TM, millions, M, 100 thousands, HTH, 10 thousands, TTH, thousands, TH, hundreds, H, tens, T, ones. Reading and writing large numbers in International Place Value System. In the International Place Value Chart, the digits of the number are grouped in periods of 3 digits each. First 3 digits from the extreme right form ones period. Next 3 digits form thousands period, and further the next 3 digits form millions period. The periods are separated by commas. The digits in a period are read as one number followed by the period name, except the ones. Let us see an example. 5, 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, 3, 5, 9. Start from the right. Form the periods of 3 digits each as shown below. Millions, 534, thousands, 768, ones, 359. The given number has 534 millions, 768 thousands, and 359 ones. Thus, it is read and written as 534,768,359. The International Place Value System is further extended beyond 100 millions with new place names and periods. Periods, trillions, billions, places, number of digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Note, in the international system, a 6-digit number has 1 comma and a 7-digit number has 2 commas. The method of expressing a number in words is called numeration. Let us see another example. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Billions, 345. Millions, 671. Thousands, 0, 34. Ones, 134. The number has 345 billions, 671 millions, 34 thousands, 134 ones. Thus, its numeration is written as 345 billion, 671 million, 34,134. Let us recall. In the international place value system, each period has 3 places separated by commas. The places in ones period are ones, tens, hundreds. The places in thousands period are thousand, 10,000s, 100,000s. The places in millions period are millions, 10 millions, hundreds millions. Million is a 7-digit number. It is written as 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Billion is a 10-digit number. It is written as 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.